Hello, my name is Pedro Nunes. I'm an etoro popular investor, and today I will speak about my approach to investing. What I truly learned in investing is that there are infinite paths that can lead to success and good results. The important thing is to choose a path that suits our way of doing things. There are a big number of popular investors who excel at choosing stocks, some more focused on the value component and others more focused on the growth component. I would say that the most popular investors choose this type of route. The way I like to invest is to take a macroeconomic approach using the entire spectrum of assets, from equities to bonds, passing through commodities, currencies, and crypto. Of course, this approach is based on a concept of diversification, but the main purpose is to find the best division between asset classes at each moment. I find the response in times of market decline particularly challenging, especially the timing and response with assets that allow protection and hedging. In this field, last year, the maximum monthly loss was 0.62%, while this year it was 1.02%. In terms of statistics, my portfolio can be misleading. I joined etoro in 2019 to be able to buy Bitcoin for the first time. I opened a $500 account and made my first $50 Bitcoin purchase. The first 3 months, with a total negative return of minus 15%, represent that drop in investment in $50 of Bitcoin investing. My history and past have shaped who I am. And the fact that I have been a police officer for over 20 years has introduced not only a practical view of the world, but also an embrace of the concept of security. Security in life and investment is what allows us to get to the next day. That's why capital protection is crucial for me. Let's not forget, for example, if I have an investment of $1,000 and I lose 20%, I get $800. To get back to the initial $1,000, I will need not 20%, but 25%. And the greater the drop, the greater this difference. Being a police officer and investigating complex and serious crimes has also given me a level of obsession needed to solve extreme challenges and to deal with stress. Most popular investors like to compare their results with the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq. And while that might make perfect sense, I take a different approach. What I aim is to ensure results in all market conditions and always protect capital. Market conditions vary greatly and are constantly changing. The question I ask is, what risk does it make sense to take at this particular moment? As I said, I have a history of over 20 years as a policeman. Since 2019, through real estate investments, I have achieved financial freedom, which allowed me to leave my job. The diversification of real estate investment led me to financial investment. At first, merely as a way of applying the money. But in the last 3 years, in absolute freedom, I found this to be my true passion. Every day, I study, learn, read, listen. I take time to reflect and define a strategy. And I feel deeply that being so recently involved in this, I've been only a popular investor for about 6 months, and I have been into investing just over 4 years, is not a disadvantage, but an advantage, because the level of evolution that lies ahead is tremendous. See you around.